And on my board, that's Brano, no went to that purple and black. No, this not a regular route. Don't turn up the channel, no Brano, keep vids like some ammo, they barely prepare. Take that challenger right off the ice, water straight to the 1 to 100K, so got a share. And every time you hear Lamar, you know Brano just out the vid, we gon' burn him from her. Oh, the littest, YouTube a living, cause ain't no one living like this, so that's Brano done did it again. Would you be consistent? Would you drive that boat like a pro, my bro driving it cool like a stick? Oh, that's Brano the littest, YouTube a living.
Bro, these folks are not bullshitting at all, boy. These folks not bullshitting. This shit is fucking crazy. Hey, twin. Where we at, twin?
Hey, man, big PF shit, man. Pinkflamingo, 5-star game, man. We do this shit for real.
Shout out to them, man. Shout out to PF, man. Big thing, man. Big things, as you can see. Hey, we made it, bro. What you got to do to get in here, bro?
Shit, I mean, to be honest, you just take some hard-ass pics, some hard-ass photos.
What you got to do to get in here, bro?
But you gotta be one of a dozen.
Yeah, you gotta be one of the ones to get in here, bro. You gotta be one of the ones, man. But you gotta look at everything, bro. I really snuck in, no cut. They're gonna be sliding, man, bro. They're gonna be crazy, bro. This gonna be crazy, bro. Like for real. Hey, bro. Hey, what you had to do to get in here, bro? Cause it's real exclusive, bro. What you had to do to get in here?
I had to be myself.
There you go. I like that. I like that, bro. But where we at, though? Where we at, though?
We at the private area.
The private.
You know, hangar type shit.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? If you ain't here, you and your whole lane.
Well, no, cause Josh need to be here. Josh, yeah.
Except Josh.
Except Josh and we gotta get the content. Gotta get the content. Hey, this video gonna be very, very raw. I'm not gonna edit this video so y'all can feel like y'all here too.
I'm editing it.
This a hard ass setup, bro. This a hard ass setup, bro. Look at this nigga. This shit's a hard ass setup. Yo. Hey, this motherfucker hard, bro.
It's her favorite song. She love my color. The rest of me. With this LSD. The rest of me. The rest of me.
Where we at, bro?
Don't get hit, nigga. Don't get hit, nigga.
Never, bro. Never. Where we at, Alex? We got into the vlog, twin.
She coming back soon. She coming back soon.
Yes, sir.
Then I got a bitch. Pretty girl and dog. I'm first time to be a creep. A leaks backpack.
turn around, come over here real quick. We got a performance for y'all, a special shit for you.
What the hell going on, bro? What the fuck?
Let's keep it going. Energy. I'm gonna break my leg. Let's go. Let's go. I ain't just gonna put this in the side anymore. Don't be paralyzed by the moment. Got your whole life set to my eyes in the moment.
Bro, who is?
Maybe I know what you need.
Who the fuck?
Cars, burning smoke. Some of you don't even know who the fuck I am. I love that. Because there's no boundaries. Come on. Give me your energy. I know you put on your best outfit tonight. I know you're trying to be cool. But fuck that. We gonna party. Show me something. Let's go.
Let the car slide. Let the car slide.
I'm enjoying you guys.
Bro, what the fuck? But it just macked the whole speaker, bro. Bro, it just macked. Yeah. That shit different. That shit different.
They almost took me out.
Mike, who is that, bro? Who is that?
DJ.
I don't even know.
DJ.
Bro, what the fuck? slider right there, boy. That's a slider right there. That's a slider right there, boy.
It's a weird angle.
Let's see you next. Oh, shit. Yo, this nigga about to go crazy. know we're gonna pop it.